But as the story unfolded, Charlie began to remember the truth. She had hurt him in ways no child could ever be hurt. For years, he buried the pain deep inside. As the school year ends, his friends prepared to leave for college. Some shared a last, tender moment with Charlie before she left, reminding him that he deserved real love. But after she was gone, Charlie's hidden trauma returned like a storm. He broke down and had to be taken to the hospital. It was there, in the hospital, that Charlie began to heal. With the help of the therapy, he finally focused on.
So that's the story of the birds of the Wallflower. The story about Charlie. So let's proceed for activity Echoes of the Carolers Voices of the World. Everyone, please speak.
In groups, students present their 4 to 8 line Christmas caroling verse inspired by the themes of the birds of being a wallflower. After all presentations, each student receives cards. Students write a short reflection or advice using one prompt. What lesson did you learn from the story? What message would you give to someone who feels like a wallflower? What part of the novel inspired you? Hosted by Echoes of the Carolers, Voices of Hope Forward.
So in this activity, you are going to play 4 to 8 line Christmas caroling verse inspired by the themes of the birds of being a wallflower. And after that, you will be given a card, then you can post it and the echoes of our Carolers Voices of Hope. Now we're done with our caroling. You can now face your reflection here. So now we're going to read at least 2 reflections of these. Abba, can you give me a number? 5.
Ano na?
Ay, no, 13 daw. 30 na.
Ay, pagdumot si April sa 30 ah.
Mr. Guy.